Do you want to know how you can log into your United Wholesale Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your United Wholesale Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google search bar search for United Wholesale Mortgage Login. Now what you need to do is click on the first link or the second link which appears on your screen. As you click the second link, you can see that you will be leaded to a login portal of United Wholesale Mortgage. Wait for a while and in a while you can see a login portal in front of your screen. After you see the login portal, you can log in into your United Wholesale Mortgage account. Now, after the page appears, go ahead and write down your username, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully log into your United Wholesale Mortgage. If you have any confusion about your username or password or you have forgotten them, go ahead and click on this link or this link, and then you can recover your password and retrieve back your username. Now, if you can see this, you can see this I button. If you click on it, it will hide or unhide the password. If you don't have an account yet, click create one here, and then you can create yourself a United Wholesale Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.